You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk stabilizer sway bar links used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn the engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. To change the sway bar links on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain full access to the suspension system. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. The sway bar link connects the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. These elements can often get jammed, so use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. Start by loosening and removing the lower part of the sway bar link. To do this, take a 16mm spanner and a 5mm Allen key. Stop the rotation with the Allen key and remove the nut using the spanner. Repeat the operation on the upper ball joint. Remove the nut, then the sway bar link.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new sway bar links. Put the sway bar links back in place. Roughly reinstall the nuts. Tighten the nuts using a 16mm spanner and a 5mm Allen key. Tighten the nuts with a torque spanner. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.